good afternoon all. Now, I know this is an unusual video for this channel because I don't usually do. No, you've got food. Sorry. I don't usually, well, I don't smoke or vape on my videos, and I'm not going to vape on this. But I do have a new toy. The Vaporesso LUXE XR Max. So, as you can see, I've already opened it. It does contain nicotine. Well, mine does anyway. You can get nicotine free ones. So, it's a nice slide box. Bring that down a little bit. So, a nice slide box. So, when you open it, you're met with this. So, this was in there. This is just in there, nice and lovely. Instruction books, which I will need to read. So I've already took the pod out because this is three types. You've got direct to lung, and then the one that extra one that come in it is restricted direct to lung. Now I usually do mouth to lung. Well, taking back on the normal fact. But I'm giving the restricted one a go just to try and get back into the, but I don't know. And it does come with a charge cable, which is great because it's USB-C. I don't know if that's picking up. So, you know, most people have USB cables. They're bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Yeah. That's it. That is pathetic. Now, I'm going to say this is for laptop charging or potentially in-car charging because that would actually suit pretty well, except I can't use it whilst I'm driving because it's only that big. But at work, that'll work with my laptop. So it's not too bad. So I've ordered some extra pods as well. These are the mouth to lung. And I could have sworn I picked 5mm, but I've sent me the 2mm. That'd be all, not much is going in. Yeah, it comes with a little card. Tell you what to do. And I've just realised these are supposed to be mouth to lung. I've got no. So I'm gonna have to order the coils for them as well. So yeah, that's the size of the box. Bit overkill, to be honest. I don't think that needs to be that big, but that's me. So yeah, again comes with the what everything's compatible with, and then the user manual. What I do like about this is it's got the screen back on the front. Well, it's got a screen. My old one didn't, so it tells you the wattage and everything else on there. But also, I'm going to have to step to the side for this. So it tells you the wattage, battery percentage, how many puffs you've had. Nice, lovely little LED screen. LED lights at the side, which you can turn off. So it's 4 buttons. And it gets you into the menu. And what I didn't realise is there's little actual arrow buttons at the bottom, so you can scroll through. And then just tweak it. So like I say, this is restricted. It does give you quite a lot of smoke, but you can use this one like mouth to lung because it's restricted, so you just change the airflow on the side. I'm hoping it's got that direct to lung, and I feel like a complete idiot now because there's no coils with these. So I just spent £8 on that with no coils, so I'm going to have to order some coils. But yeah. So you'll get, I've watched loads of videos on this, so you'll get loads of people that do these for cloud charging. I have not got enough lung capacity to do that. So the only one thing I don't like is that's cloudy. so you can't actually see where the liquid is. You can see it down the bottom here, but that's about it. The size of that pod, you'd expect that to go or literally fill up the whole thing, but it doesn't. Well, not that I can make. No, it doesn't. It just fills under the bottom. But it works. It's got a kick like cigarette, and I can change the wattage. But the thing is, it's got smart. So currently that says 30 watts. Okay, so if I take that out, so that's restricted, and then put in the direct along with taking off the bottom because I forgot to. So it changes the wattage to 55. It gives you more power, which is really cool, and I like that. I do like that. So you don't have to mess about with the power settings. You can, obviously you can if you want, but I won't. Well, not yet. I just want to get used to it again. So yeah, so I can open up the airway to full. It's actually something a lot easier. That actually, sorry, that actually works a lot easier. But yeah, I'll play with it until we get. So yeah, that's the LUXE Vaporesso Max XR Max. Would hope we can put it in front of you. Yeah, nice little thing. I had the Caliburn A2 before. Worked for a bit. It still does do what it did the job too, bro. But I need something with more kick on it. That's alright.
Do you want to put Pluto on the tray?
And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. If you like it, leave a like and subscribe because
Pluto.
my favourite character is Bird and he's mine to put on the tree. So have a lovely rest of your day. Bye bye.